What's up, folks? I'm down here at the river today. I'm Tyler, and I'm with my buddy Jace. Stuck a camera on him. We're gonna try to catch some redfish for it. Or
Redfish?
Not redfish, bass.
Please, bro.
Bass. All right, y'all stay tuned. Oh, there's one. That's a good one. Oh boy. Yeah, it is. Oh, it's a largie.
Wow. That's a 2.5 pounder right there.
That's a great start. I wasn't even paying attention. I was calling you an idiot. Damn. That's a good first fish. You want to keep our best 5? Or like wait?
Yeah, if you want to.
Yeah, let's do that. Look at that. That's a good fish.
There you go.
For a largie too, for it to be the first fish is weird. Because this river is mainly full of spots. Huh.
That's all.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting that.
Ooh, this water is cold. It is a little bit higher than it was last time we were here together. I know that he went here about a week ago.
Mm-hmm.
It was low, but last time I was here.
Look at there. 233 or 235. That's a good first fish. Yeah, it's a good first fish for this river.
This little weight out. So this
All right, that first fish on a top water. All right, there it goes. All right, let's catch some more.
Oh no. I did the thing where I get hung. That is my staple, is getting hung every time I cast. Good news is there's a sandbar out there. I can get my rod over to it. There we go. I got it. Let's see if there's anything in this hole, because you never know. Oh, there was. There was something in the hole. Let's see if he can't come back for it. About to call my shot right here. No, he won't come back for it. Let's see if he'll come back for it. One more time. Nope, I ain't coming back for it. Let me go one more time. I'm gonna go up underneath the log here. Oh, that's a little bit too close. There we are. Let's see if he's over here. Nope, he's not coming back for it. All right, let's keep going.
Oh, what? He's missing it. Came up for it twice. So, let's see if I can get that fish to bite again. Oh, there he is. Is that another largie? It's another largemouth. This is weird. The first 2 fish are largemouth. That's odd for this river.
Usually we catch a spot over there by the bridge. That was the first fish.
Yeah, like the only places we really catch largemouth is the rapids.
The rapids, yeah.
And
Maybe because
our first 2 fish. Our first 2 fish are largemouth.
I did have one short strike over there at that log over there.
Did you?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I didn't come back for it. I tried.
Oh, there's one. There we go. That's a good fish, I think. No, he's little. He just hooked on the bottom.
What you got there, bud?
What do you think?
You snagged her.
Yeah, I did.
What is that, a bass?
Yeah, it's a little, it's finally a spot. Yeah. I didn't hook him the right way, but there's a little spot right there. There we go. All right, let's see if we get another. Oh my gosh. That is a record right there. Oh, he's off. He was the size of the bait. Thing was tiny. Hey, send the Johnny down river next, this weekend. Send the Johnny down river next weekend, or this weekend I meant. I don't know. Oh look, it's a turtle. What's up, turtle? Turtle. What's up, little turtle? Beep. Yeah. Oop, there it goes. I know. The trees. I'm gonna steal that fish from you. Well, I guess not. Dude, we are not. We're catching L's today. That's all we're catching. We're not catching fish. We're catching L's.
Well, you caught like 4.
I've caught 2.
Caught 4.
3.
No.
I've missed a bunch.
Tiny one.
I know. I've caught.
The video.
I did. Sorry. Oh, hey, cool. Look at him. Look at him. The guys. Look at them all. Got him. There's another one. Cast over there. That was awesome. Did you? Guess what it is? What? I think so. No, it's a spot. That was cool. I don't know what they're doing today. Yeah, it's a little spot. And I wouldn't say little, it's a decent one. There we go. Ain't the healthiest, but there's a fish. It's today. Oh, heck yeah. I like the trees today. Oh, no. I got to get that one, sir.
Oh, no. Go for it. Oh, you fucker.
Oh, no. It's a deep hole. Hold the GoPro up. Oh, shoot. Put the GoPro on my head. Get off. What's going on here? Eh. My glasses. Everything. Dude.
Damn. You hungry?
Please don't be deep. I about took a log to the balls. Hey, come here. It's not like you do the same too. No, I'm getting this back because I don't have a good one. Another one.
Can I put my drop it off? Can't get up there, can you?
Nope.
You can't get hooked in the face.
Don't say that.
Can I put my phone in the dog?
Don't fall. I don't got it. I got it.
I need to get new waves in.
You can get those transition lenses.
There he is.
I finally got one, boys.
Don't hit me. Don't. Hey now. Hey now, fish. Come on.
It's a decent one.
Yeah, he's decent. He's got him one.
Yeah, baby girls.
Maybe a spot there, sir.
Here, hold the rod while I unhook this beast of a fish. You got those pliers on you?
Yeah. I got it, sir.
Oh, it's on my back. Oh, there's a rock right here I can stand on. If I can get up on it. Here we go. Dang, he really
got him there.
Yeah, hold on.
Little spotty boy.
Dang.
Grab it and push it straight down.
It won't go. Here. I got it. If I do it this way, I can do it. I'm dominant in my right hand.
Really now.
There we go. So he told you. It's okay. Just
There you go, bud.
look at there. Going in the water.
Take your rod back, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, it was confirmed 99.9%. That 0.1%. There was not fish there.
Yeah. I've done that once where I was like swimming just reeling it real hard back to me. Like, there he is again.
I'll lose him.
I'm not gonna lose him.
Not losing him.
He is.
There we go.
There's another one. I can get this one with my hand.
So we've caught 7 fish so far. Ain't bad.
There you go. Oh, my bad, bro. I'm sorry.
Good. All right, we're back at it. Below the rapids and see if we can catch as many fish as we did last time. There we go. Nice one. Finally. That's a decent one too. There we go. That's a 2-pounder. Guess where? The rocks. It's a decent fish right there on a chatterbait. It's a lot of current and I didn't think they weren't coming up on the plopper, so decided to tie on this chatterbait.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Yo, Tyler. Come here, little boy. Yeah. On the Ned rig. I hadn't caught one on the Ned rig in 2 years, or a year and a half, probably.
Maybe against the rocks.
Yeah, I think so. I can't get it out. There it goes. There he is. Little spot. Right there.
Camera? Well, Jason caught one. I don't know if his camera's running or not. But right now I'm just lazy fishing, just sitting here and hoping I get a bite. Ooh, got one. That's a good one. I got a big one. Oh, he's stuck. Come here. It's a largie. Come here. There we go. Might be the biggest. He's about like that first one. He's about that first one. See how much this one weighs. It is right there on the head of the rapids too. Let's see. Come on, B2. Yep, 205. All right, there you go. Nice little largie. See if we can get another one doing that. There's another one. It's not a big one. There we go. A crawl. Yeah, and there goes my claws. Oh, there's a spot right there. All right, let's see if we can get some more. Boy.
I think I'm done. Want to head back?
Yeah, I'm done too. All right, well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll catch y'all later.